Nothing brightens my day more than a fresh, full set. To go from nothing and turn it into something is my superpower. Stay tuned.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way,
Hello, lovelies, and welcome back to another Nine Lux Nails video. You already know we're getting right into this full set. I have go ahead and placed my natural half moon tips and gave her a coffin shape. And we're also going right in with our Mia Secret Cover Nude Blush Acrylic, as well as the Mia Secret Monomer, Dehydrator, and Primer. This is my go-to girl. She's top tier, and I really don't see me switching from it ever. So, of course, I'm going in and giving her a nice laid foundation. Nothing changes except the temperature of my room. So, I have to work in smaller beads to make sure that I am getting the foundation correctly. Because if I work in larger beads and that large bead hardens on me too fast, then we have a headache in the making and a lot of excess fouling on the back end. So if you're working with warmer temperatures, just know that your acrylic will harden faster, and that may be a bad thing if you don't work fast. So I'm just using smaller beads to make sure that I can place them exactly where I want, and then if I need to build up, I can, versus just having a mound of uneven acrylic that just looks terrible. So if you have one of those days, every client I had on this day, I just had to take my time and make sure I execute, because I did not want any flaws, and I didn't want to have a day full of people coming back saying, hey, my nails ain't looking good or anything of that nature. So we're going to take our time in this warmer weather, and this just lets me know I may need an ice box where my heart used to be, or something cooling for my monomer. We do have monomer warmers, but I may need something cooling because I do use a stone damping dish, and it's probably just boiling the monomer, and we don't want that. So I'm going to look into that for future appointments in the summertime, but until then we just work smarter and not harder. So I'm taking my time getting my acrylic application done, and then we'll get right into designing these nails. Alrighty, and now that the acrylic has been buffed and finished, we're going right in with the design. And my client is going to a Ghana concert in Arizona. I love to hear the stories of my girl's trip, so this will be a fun one. Now, she did have an inspo picture, which was his album cover, but I asked clarifying questions. I'm like, girl, what you wearing? Let me see the outfit, because why would we put the cover of his album on your nails when they may not go with the look? And it's all about the look, okay? So she showed me the outfit, first of all, eating the girls up, including me. I was gagged. The outfit is so good. So I told her, yes, I'm the nail tech, let me freestyle this for you. So I'm going in just with a simple Frenchie on two of the nails, and then we're going to take our extreme diamond gel and create this fun little webbing of 3D-ness, and then apply chrome over the top. Y'all, this turned out so beautiful. As you can see from the thumbnail, like, so stinking freaking cute. I want this on myself. I did see this technique on Instagram and I loved it. Only the lady that did it used, she made flowers. And that's the thing with inspiration. I continue to tell you guys, don't take what someone does and just do it correctly how they did it. Make it your own method and make it into a freestyle and just have fun with it. I know we want to recreate sometimes, but a lot of times as a nail tech, you just have to tap into your own creativity. You never know what you could create that would be something different for the community. So, of course, we want to do our recreations. It's not against the rules, but let's try to add to the community and do something fun. So, I'm just taking my time, go ahead and getting that webbing done how I like it, and so that it does not spread or self levels, which means flattening itself out, I'm going to go from hand to hand and just do each finger in a different way and get this little webbing done. It was so super fun. You just have to take your time. Of course, the extreme diamond gel is very sticky, so I'm just using small amounts and getting the shaping how I want it. My client saw me doing the design. She didn't say a word, but me being an energy person, I could feel that she was a little concerned. Like, girl, is it gonna look like I have hot glue gun on my nails? Because she didn't know what I was doing. She gave me the inspo picture and I said, I'm not doing that. I'm finna do this. And I just started going with it. So she was like, black and clear? I don't know. But she didn't say a word. So that's what we love. Let me do me, girl. And in the end, we was like, oh my God, these eat so bad. And now it's going to go with the look. I can't wait till she posts. I said, please tag me because I want to show my clients your outfit. And I told her how to accessorize the outfit because, yeah, she was going to do some other colors and some things. No, ma'am, we're going to get you together. And she's not one of those girls that post herself. She is always giving looks, but she don't take the pictures. So me being the encouraging nail tech I am, I'm like, if you don't post a picture, you're getting blocked from these books because I want to see the look. It ate. I'm telling y'all, it ate. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling because this is how I talk to my clients. I'm sorry, y'all, but yes, we continue with the webbing, we continue with the consistency, and once I finish doing each and every finger, we'll come in with the second layer. And this was a really quick and easy, simple, short freestyle for her, and she was in and out, ready to go on her vacation. Okay, so now that the webbing is done, we're just going to go in with our silver chrome and we're going to apply it all over the webbing as well as the black finger. So I like the webbing on some nails clear, and then also putting the webbing on a Frenchie because it just added another layer. And on this all chrome finger, she did want a few charms, so I just wanted that chrome underneath the base to add more chrome to the set, but we will be applying our charms right on top. So I'm just going to chrome all of the nails out, give her a good dust off, and you will see what we went for. We're almost done with this set, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this portion. Even if you skipped through, you made it to the end. Okay, and now we have a visual, guys. When I say I really love this set, I love it so bad. So I'm going in with my Extreme Diamond Gel one last time for this set, and I did set out a few of the charms. Her nails are so super small, so I know I wouldn't be able to get much on here, but like I said, it is a vacation, so she said please put my man initials on here because I want him to see that I love him. Okay, so I got me a little cross that had also a little texture to it to match the nails, and then scooted her off to the side so we can get her man initials, Mr. KG. Your girl doing it big for you, okay? So we added that charm. I put a little bling. And when we got to the end, y'all, she was looking at the nails. She was like, oh, that's so pretty. But you ain't put my man initials on there. I'm like, girl, look closer. Look in there. I put them in there. She was like, oh, that's so cute. They is on there. I think she just thought I was going to draw a big old K and a big old G in white on there or something. But no, ma'am. We're keeping it luxe all the way through. So I'm just adding a few more AB crystals just to give this nail and hand a little bling. We're going to top coat her and send her on her way. And here is the finished set, my lovelies. We love how this turned out. So super cute. Concert ready. They ate. If you want to give this set some love, then you already know to follow my socials.